All right, Long Beach. I know it says, Long Beach, but Long Beach is actually a port city, so it's not the most pretty of places. It's a lot like Alameda, where we used to live, right? Big old ships like this come in, deliver all the cargo, gigantic size crane. There's cruise ships that come out of here too. Woot, woot.
Wow,
I
you're
really
that heavy?
hope. What the hell? I am very glad I brought some seasickness pills though, because I don't know how I'm gonna hold up, to be honest. Like, first time cruise, right? So how bad can it get? People say that you don't feel it. I already feel it.
Really? You're just probably.
I'm sensitive that way. I'm a sensitive man.
Wow.
Maybe because I got vertigo before too. I don't know. Something. All right. We just walked around deck 4. Ain't nothing going on this deck, so we're gonna go up to a higher deck. We're just gonna cruise around now to find out where everything is. Is that what you want to do, Ludette?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we're doing. Check it out. We're at the front of the ship. And wait a minute. Are you seriously gonna let a helicopter up here? It's like there's barely enough room. I feel like this spot here is just not big enough to park a helicopter. Wow, look at this. It's a battleship, baby. How did we not see this earlier? Look at that thing. Well, this is to make sure that people don't come and steal all the fake goods that come in from China being delivered by cargo. I think you're like too short for that railing.
My size.
You're too short. They need to put maybe like baby steps for you to do your Rose and Jack moment. Wow.
I am your therapy.
You're the reason I am in therapy. You're missing a couple words in there, I think. It's beautiful out though. Oh, I know they treat guests really nice here. But crew? This is crew only area. Oh, hey, hello. Go ahead. This is the section where they get to go come hang out, and this is the end over there, new dad. This is where they can come out over here. Oh, look what we found, new dad. Oh. They have a theater down. Wow. This theater is huge. This is bigger than the Disney theater we were in yesterday. Huh? Alright, the key, Ludette, is if you want to watch a show, you got to add it to itinerary, which means dun, 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 you got a plan. You ready to plan? You missed the show? They're not going to do an encore for you.
It says no reservation. I want to do the spa raffle draw because I want to get up.
I see.
You
Stand
wanna
up
do this?
surfing. Baby, do they have one where it's like sit down or lay down surfing?
No.
Like on a Barca Lounger?
No.
Do they have Barca Lounger surfing?
No.
How about web surfing? I'm very good at web surfing. Do they have
You're
that?
already good at that, so and you do that every day.
Wow, look at this thing. How is it like one of the first things I see?
Right here.
Like this is the casino. Of course they
Did you take a picture of me?
got everything on this shit. Basically, it's like a mini Wynn. Mini Vegas casino. Actually, not even mini. This is pretty big. Table games too. Yeah. Right? It is like Vegas. No one's playing the games yet, but tonight I'm willing to bet. People are out here, couple of drinks, boom, boom, boom. Money gone, gone, gone. Wow, look at this piece of art. I don't even know what you call this. It's just, holy snaps. This thing's like 20 stories tall.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the captain speaking. My apologies for making this announcement in 2 statements. But this is an important announcement regarding our mandatory safety brief. The briefing is required as per international laws, and we cannot allow anybody who not has participated to stay with us. Currently, 243 guests are still missing. To do so, I would like to thank the 2,982 guests that already has participated in the brief. Thank you.
Oh, there's karaoke.
You can do karaoke everywhere.
Oh, I want to do it on cruise. How many people are in
All right, this is the mall, if you will. We'll go down that way a little bit later. Let's go this way, Lieutenant. All right, we're gonna go up to deck 11. Deck 11 is where
I'll meet you.
they have the more
I'm gonna go
pool.
to the room and grab my sunglasses.
Deck 11. Going up.
We're good.
Deck 11. Oh, hey. This is one of the pool areas, folks. There's a lot of people out here already. We actually came kind of late, think about it, because you can actually board the ship as early as like 10 in the morning, and we need to get here like 3 or 4. I see ice cream. I want to get some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Let's find out where the ice cream is. Ooh, that looks yummy.
What's that?
mixed. Alright, walking through the pavilion. Little mini mall going on. I see people in line because I think they're giving out free stuff. Pretty sure it's not these watches. That's what this line.
Let's see what kind of bracelet it is.
Wow. It's insane to think that we're inside of a ship still. It doesn't even feel like it. Although this pavilion is just bar after bar, I have to say one of the things that I'm just not going to be able to take advantage of, which is a true waste, is I don't drink. Because I feel like I could get my money's worth here if I just drank all the freaking time. Ooh, ice cream? Ben and Jerry's? Shoot, I want some of that. Playmakers, I believe this is an upgraded bar. You got to pay to eat and play and have fun. Cafe Promenade. I don't know if this is free or not, actually. Like, how do you know if it is or not? I can't even tell.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. All right, so this place open 24 hours and it's free. But otherwise, like she said, yeah, you can't tell what's free and what's not. God dang, that's beautiful. Ooh, looks like there's a show down there. Gotta check that out sometime. Where the hell did my wife go? Ah, there you are. Wait a minute, did you not get it?
Nah.
Why?
They trick you. It looks like nobody's really getting the bracelet because I think they asked.
Trick you.
Yeah.
How dare they make you pay for something when almost everything's free?
It's not free.
All right, I'm lost. Where am I? Okay, that's not helping. Dude, Dad, you sure it's on the 5th floor? Oh, hey, this was the lounge we saw outside earlier. It's like a lounge, like I just said. All right, cool. Band's not playing yet. Maybe a little later. We were lost already. What are we doing? What's going on here? Hello? deck 3. That's got it wrong. I think it's because, the boat rocks so much. Sometimes it's deck 3, sometimes it's deck 5. Mm-hmm. By the way, I really love the paintings on each floor. Their taste in art, I like. Actually, it's not even just the paintings. Their side decoration. This one's just a little creepy.
Oh, I like this one.
This one I like too. Don't touch! What the hell? Yeah, I like this idea, baby. We should do this. Side-by-side paintings. Actually, they have a couple of these that are side-by-side. I like this one too. Never thought of it before. I love it. This is a cool idea. I'm gonna start by paintings to indicate you and I in life together, stuck forever. Stuck, Lita, stuck. Like on a boat. I'm stuck on a boat with you. Oh, the casino's packed now. Dang, people came out on full force. Yes, baby, it is packed. Crazy packed. Holy Somalia.
So, deck 3 is not just one flat floor.
How many times am I gonna have to get lost with you here, baby? I think that's gonna be half my trip.
Yeah. No, it's not gonna be like that.
It's
I will
been my
have-
whole life with you like that.
I will have to prepare next time.
You're gonna be prepared next time?
Yes. So we're gonna go down.
You sure we're going down? Because I see people in line over there.
No, that's not it.
That's not it? That's not dining room? Yeah, you sure? Okay.
Ate, dito kami.
You have a random guest telling her where to go. Your dad's telling me, no, it's not this way. And I'm like, okay.
You can see like there was
It's
like
this
you have
way.
to- when you get to the end, you have to go down.
All right, as someone who now works in a casino resort, I have to say, I have a much more deep found appreciation and just admiration for the people that keep like this running. It is so much work. Like what you don't see that goes on behind the scenes that just make the ship come alive is it's the kind of stuff like if you ever watch documentaries about it, and there's a couple that are out there totally worth watching, whether it's a casino resort. Actually, very few documentaries about casino resorts because they're very secretive. But cruise ships, there's a lot of cool behind the scenes videos about how they get all the materials and food and just goods onto the ship and that whole process and how they prepare everything and how they get the staff trained and how they're like operating every day. It's fascinating. In essence, it's like a mini city kept alive through just sheer power and dedication of the staff to do this every day in and out. And mind you, they don't get weekends off. Like when they're going on a cruise, it's like an excursion for them, many months at a time. If you go check out the room quarters, it's very how would you say, minimalistic. And if you think my room is like not that impressive, yeah, theirs is even more or less. It's just, I don't know. I just really appreciate the kind of work and effort that everyone puts into this kind of stuff. It's really quite amazing.